Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apaar ID card. The Apaar ID, or Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry, is a unique 12-digit identification number designed for every student. It serves as a digital gateway, linking all your academic records, achievements, and qualifications onto a single, accessible platform. This ID is absolutely crucial for accessing various educational services and benefits throughout India, streamlining your academic journey from primary school through higher education. Obtaining your Apaar ID is a straightforward process. It's automatically generated for you upon your admission to any recognized educational institution. To ensure a seamless process, it's vital that your Aadhaar number is correctly linked to your student profile. Once generated, you can easily access and download your digital Apaar ID from the official Academic Bank of Credit's portal, providing you with immediate access to your comprehensive academic record. The Apaar ID offers numerous key uses and significant benefits for students. Primarily, it greatly facilitates the easy transfer of academic credits between different educational institutions, making your academic journey more flexible. It also provides a verified, tamper-proof record of all your academic achievements and qualifications. You can confidently use your Apaar ID for scholarship applications, streamlined admissions processes, and accessing various government educational schemes and initiatives. Maintaining the security of your Apaar ID is paramount. Always keep your 12-digit ID confidential to protect your personal academic data from unauthorized access. It's also highly recommended to regularly verify all your linked information on the Academic Bank of Credit's portal to ensure accuracy. Should you notice any discrepancies or suspect unauthorized access, please report it immediately to your educational institution for prompt investigation and resolution, safeguarding your academic future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.